Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about food chains, and I think it's an easy topic for you because you already know it. Now, to start with, what is a food chain? A food chain simply tells us what eats what in an environment. It also shows a flow of energy, a flow of energy through the organisms. And this flow of energy is indicated by an arrow. The tip of the arrow tells us that energy flows from this organism to the other one. Okay. Now, food chain always start with producers, and they are called so because they produce their own food. So they are producers. The producers is an organism that makes its own food. So it calls a producer. And producers can do so using sunlight. So they have something in their structure that make them able to convert the energy in the sunlight into energy in a chemical substances called food. An example of producers is plant, any plant, grass, sea plants, algae, okay? And these plants are able to produce their own food by a process called photosynthesis. We'll come to this process later on. Okay, now consumer. Consumer is the organism that comes after producers, and consumers, they can be prey and predator. The prey is eaten by the predator, okay? And also consumers can be herbivore and carnivore. Herbivores are consumers that eat plants. Carnivore is consumers that eat another consumer. So it is a predator and a prey. Now let's move to examples. We have grass, rabbit, fox. We will start our food chain always with grass. So grass is number one, and grass is a producer that can convert the sunlight energy into food. Then we will have rabbit or fox. We will choose the herbivore, the one that eat plants. So it is rabbit. Then we will have the fox. The arrow indicates the flow of energy, and the food chain starts with a producer. Now, as we said before, this is called the herbivore, and this one called a carnivore. So we have herbivore, eat grass, and carnivore, eat another prey. It eats a prey. Okay. Now, how many consumers we can add to the food chain? How many consumers? We can add. To answer this question, you have to remember that food chain indicates flow of energy. So we can add up to 4, not more than 4. Why? because energy is lost through this food chain. So we have first, let's go to our example, grass. Grass will use, let's say, 1%. We have the rabbit. Rabbit will not eat the whole grass. It can't, for example, eat the roots. It only eat the grass, the upper part, the leaves. Okay, so here we have energy loss. Why we have energy loss? Because rabbit will not consume the whole plant, and rabbit cannot digest the whole plant. You know, in order to extract the energy, you have to digest the food. So some parts of the food, as you know, are undigestible, like fibers. We can digest fibers. We as humans, we can digest fibers. So first of all, rabbit can't consume all the plant. It can digest all the plant. So here we have energy loss. Then we have the fox. Again, fox can't eat the whole creature. It can't eat the whole organism. It can't eat the whole rabbit. Some parts of the rabbit the fox will not eat. So here also we have energy loss. Then the other consumer will have also energy loss. So due to energy loss, through the food chain, we can put more than 4 consumers after the producer. That's it for today. Please, your homework is to solve page 39 in your workbook. Thank you.